I believed a lot of things about YouTube before I actually took the plunge and went for it. Most of the preconceptions I had have vanished now. In this video, I go over 3 lies that I myself believed about YouTube before I started, which also may be holding you back from starting your channel. I'm Kirky, and on this channel I'm going to try and help people of a similar age to me, 40 and above, either start their YouTube channels or grow their YouTube channels. So follow me on my journey and let's see if we can grow together. Lie 1. We're too old for YouTube. One of the reasons I think I put off starting YouTube was I believed I was too old, that no one wanted to listen to an older person talk. It was a young person's game. You see all these big channels with young creators, but that's wrong. There's a lot of people our age growing big channels and resonating with people like ourselves. It's never too late to start something new, to start a new adventure. You hear all the time about people in their 60s, 70s, 80s having a career change, starting up a business, starting YouTube. And I think we have a lot to give. We have a lot of life experience. We have a lot of knowledge on things. We have a lot of things to say. We might not necessarily think people want to listen, but you'll find people that want to listen to you. So never think you're too old for YouTube. There's more than enough room for us oldies on here. It's no longer just a young person's domain. We need to realise that we need to realise our age is a strength and it's not a weakness. It's not something that should be holding us back. It's something that should be pushing us forward. We have a lot to give. We have a lot to give this world and messages to spread and just general content to create. Something that younger people can't create because they haven't had the experiences we've had. Lie number 2, the need for fancy gear and being tech savvy to start. I had it in my head that I needed a flash camera, a mic, a studio at home. I'd need to know how to use all these editing programs before I could even start a YouTube channel. And then one day I was in my van having a bad time and I just hit record on my battered old Samsung Galaxy A12 with a cracked screen and a cracked front camera that was useless and couldn't use. Hit record, done the edit on my phone quickly, just cut out any pauses or mistakes and uploaded. And that's how I started. You don't need the perfect setup. You don't need the perfect timing. There is never a perfect time. Just record and upload. If you're wanting to start a channel, especially if you're wanting to monetize it and make a business out of it, the longer you leave it, the longer it's going to be before that you realize that dream. And I delayed 2 years on my channel. 2 years of umming and ahhing, going backwards and forwards. What shall I make a video about? What shall I do? I need this stuff, I need that stuff, and you don't. Just start recording and uploading, and eventually other things you'll figure it out. You'll figure what you want your channel to be about. You'll figure out how to do these things, and you'll realize it is a lot more simpler than what you realize. Is there challenges in it? Yes, there is, but you can make it as simple as you want. The first 6 weeks of my channel, I done everything on that old phone. I invested in a mic, what I'm using now. I invested in a gimbal for walking because people suggested it, and I had some kind donations, so I thought I'd invest in the channel. And the mic I brought wouldn't connect to my old phone, and the video quality wasn't great on my old phone either. So I then invested a little bit of money on buying a second-hand newer version, a Samsung Galaxy A52, which I'm now using now, which this connects to, and the video quality is a bit better. But I still haven't got a flash camera. I still haven't got a studio at home, hence why I'm here. Some people, like Uncle Jammer Talks, all his videos are just out walking somewhere, and he doesn't edit. He doesn't cut out any mistakes. If he makes a mistake while filming, he'll just upload it, and I respect him for that. That's him just being raw and authentic. I just sometimes get a mental block, and I'll just stand there staring into space for about 30 seconds while I try and remember where I was going with the conversation. And I don't really want that in a video. That's why I cut a lot of stuff out, because I do make mistakes. But just makes the video a little bit crisper. But that's just my opinion. His videos work great because he doesn't make that many mistakes, and he covers up and recovers well from them. So I would say, if you're thinking of doing YouTube and starting a channel, just go for it. The sooner you do it, the easier it'll become. The first video is the worst one, is the hardest one to do. And once you're out there, it becomes easier. It does become easier. If you're getting any value from this video, please like and subscribe. Lie 3. You need to be an expert or entertaining. I'm not an expert really at anything. I wouldn't even say I'm that entertaining. I don't crack jokes in my videos. I'm not outlandish. I'm not over the top. I'm not laughing my head off every 5 seconds. That's just me. I'm not an expert. I'm trying to teach on this channel a little bit about what I'm picking up as I go along through YouTube, but on my other channel, I'm just talking about my experiences with life. I'm not an expert teaching you anything. And you don't have to be an expert at anything. You don't have to be entertaining. You don't have to be comfortable on camera, because I'm certainly not. I'm learning, I'm getting better, I think, but it's still hard. It's still hard, especially with this channel. My other one, I can just walk and talk and all that. This one, I'm trying to make a conscious effort to look at the camera more, but I find it hard just staring into a camera like I am now. I keep looking away. I just naturally do that. So that is one thing I've got to work on. And like they say, your first 50, 100 videos are going to be bad in a certain degree. Not awful, I'm not saying that in a negative way. It's just, if you look at your first video and then in 100 videos time, look at that video, you'll see your confidence has grown. You'll see you're more natural on camera. The video will generally be better. The subject, maybe not so much, but your presence on camera will be better. Maybe the editing's a bit sharp, a bit crisper. Maybe your thumbnails are a bit more together. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be entertaining. Just be you. Just be authentic. That's the thing with a lot of these channels by younger creators. They seem quite fake. They seem not genuine. They seem over the top. And that's the edge we've got. We can be ourselves. We can be authentic, and people will resonate with us. I don't know what you want to do a channel on, but you will find your tribe somewhere. There will be someone somewhere that has the same interests in you, waiting for you to create that video, waiting for you to create that channel. And you will build something. So ending this video, just to summarize, you're not too old. Your voice matters. There's people out there that want to hear your message. And by you not uploading your video, you're denying these people you're denying your message, your gift that you've got to give to the world. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's never going to feel like the right time. You can always keep putting it off. I've done it for 2 years. The amount of times I went to do a video and backed out. But just do it. Once that first video's up, it becomes easier. It really does. And who knows where it might take you. You might build your own tribe, your little community, or a big community, who knows. Let me know if any of this has resonated with you in the comments. And if you're still not sure about doing a channel, put that in the comments as well. Let us know. Let us hear what is holding you back. And if somehow this video helps you make that final step and upload, put your channel in the comments as well and we can all check it out. Bit different today. I thought I'd come and sit down in the woods. Right. I'll leave you to it, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.